and opens the world.
Hearts in her hands, in a room where colors softly play. She is safe to the peace and sweet terrain. A quiet slow upon her face, a calm enduring in a kind of grace, with hand shape gentle in their hearts. She shows where kindness found its start. No need for words, no need to speak. Her silence watered hearts see. Behind her blooms are wall of red, like rose blooming words unsaid. Yet in her eyes, and a soft sunrise, a world of warmth that never lies. Anibala is a name so still, yet in her clam in her iron well, she smiled night white, but true and deep, the kind of smile of soul will keep